I define inspired purpose as a sense of direction, a trajectory for your life. And this inspiration is really about passion. It's about cultivating passion and a desire to do something significant with your life. And of course, that inspiration comes from the Holy Spirit, comes from the Spirit of God that inspires us to make a difference, to restore the world to what He intended from the beginning. The pursuit of inspired purpose comes when you find that collision between what you love and what you hate, where you find what you're good at, what you're interested in, what you think God has gifted you to do, and where's that collide with something that's broken, something that needs to be fixed, something that bothers you, something that might even keep you up at night. It's when you find that axis between what you love and you hate, you find a vision for your life, and I think that's where students really lean into their inspired purpose.
Finding your inspired purpose while you're here on campus is such an individual thing, but there are so many people here to help nourish and drive that. And so the best way for students to begin that journey, and I do believe it's a journey, is to find those people who are willing to breathe life into them and mentor them. And they are all over the place. It may be an older classman in one of your classes, it may be a professor, it may be someone down the hall, but those relationships are open and waiting. And that's, I think, how you can get started.
As I think about inspired purpose, the opportunity to walk alongside and encourage and empower young adult people who are in their most formative times of their year. I'm inspired to see them soak up information and be open to growing and learning and being equipped for the rest of their lives. And so that inspires me to do what we do here at Harding.
My inspired purpose is to connect with students during the defining moment of their life, where they really are wrestling with who they are, what they believe, why they believe it, and who God is really calling them to be. It is an absolute honor to walk beside students at this consequential moment.